Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial, we will talk about question words and question sentences in Dutch. Question words are called Vraagwoorden and question sentences are called Vraagzinnen. As you can see that in Dutch, Vraagwoorden and Vraagzinnen are one word, Vraagwoorden and Vraagzinnen. In Dutch, usually we can combine two or more words to form a single word. And Vraagwoorden and Vraagzinnen zijn or are the perfect examples. Let's see the volgorde. The volgorde, that is the order of the question sentence or the sequence of the question sentence. To form a question sentence or an interrogative phrase, we use the vraagwoord, that is the question word, then the werkwoord, that is the verb, and in the end we have to add the subject, and in the end we add this question mark. There can be other things in the question sentences or the Vraagzinnen, for example the object, the time, the place, etc. So let's see what are the question words or vraagwoorden in Dutch language. Who is wie? Wie. What is what? What. Where is waar? Waar. Why is waarom? Waarom. When is wanneer? Wanneer. And how is who? Who. Wie, what, waar, waarom, wanneer, who. Now let's use these vraagwoorden and form some Vraagzinnen. Here we have gotten 6 example sentences. For example, we want to ask who am I? In Dutch, we will ask wie ben ik? Wie ben ik? Wie ben jij? Who are you? Wie ben hij? Who is he? So we use wie for who. Then what are you doing? And question mark. In Dutch we ask what do je? What do je? Question mark. And please note that in Dutch we don't use ha or h. The spelling of what is we a te. What. What. Let's take an example sentence of where. We want to ask where are you? In Dutch we ask waar ben je? Waar ben je? And here we are using the informal version of you, that is je. The formal version of you is u when we want to show some respect. But usually you will see that in the Netherlands we speak je. Waar ben je? Where are you? Let's take an example of why. Why are you here? In Dutch, we will ask, waarom ben je hier? Waarom ben je hier? H-I-A-R. H-I-A-R. Here. Waarom ben je here? Now we want to ask, when will you go? In Dutch, we will ask, wanneer ga je? And in the end, question mark. Wanneer ga je? So you will have noticed that in Dutch we don't use will. So it depends upon the situation, and you have to understand yourself if it's in the future sentence or the future tense or in the present form. Wanneer ga je? And the last example is, how are you? Question mark. In Dutch, usually we ask, hoe gaat het? Hoe gaat het? Question mark. And you have to make the sound of gaat. Hoe gaat het? How are you? Ladies and gentlemen, this was our introductory lesson of Vraagwoorden and Vraagzinnen, that is question words and question sentences in Dutch. If you would like to ask a question or give a comment, then you can use the comment section below. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family members. I'm ifactner and I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.